Today on Evolution DIY, I'm going to show you how to take a big cracked area on a leather couch like this and fix it, make it look much better. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll show you how it holds up after 12 months of use. All right, I'd like to show you a really quick way to fix a rip like this on a couch. Now, I tried this vinyl leather repair kit and I did the heating up, all the stuff, and it lasted like a week. It didn't last very long. So I bought this stuff. It's called an '09 leather repair tape. And it's just a big roll of tape. It's like a leather patch. Looks like this. And you just cut it to size. You get a really big patch. I think it's about 20 bucks. So I cut this patch right here and I rounded the corners just a little bit so that, when you sit on it, it doesn't peel up that corner. And then really all you're gonna do is just clean it up with some alcohol, stick it on there. So I'll show you how nice it fixes this up. So here's the final product, and it worked really good. In the right light you can see the patch, but if you're not paying attention, it almost just kind of disappears. So it looks so much better than it did before, and I think it's going to hold up well. Okay, here's the result after about 12 months of use. It gets used actually every day, multiple times, and you can see the patch is holding up pretty good. I did have to patch this seam also. Again, we're going to get new couches, just not until we redo this room, so just getting these held together for now. But, if you zoom out, you can kind of see the patch still just blends in pretty good. And I think that the result is decent for a temporary or just kind of a holding patch until we can get a new couch. As always, thanks for watching the video. If you got some value out of it, I'd love if you hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you want to get notification of more of my videos. And there's a couple links in the description of the products I use in the video. Thanks again.